Hello everyone, my name is Dominic. Welcome back to my channel. I am here at Bicester Village to pick up a few new items. First stop, Burberry. This is the ladies section and upstairs is men's section. They have so much new stock and it is always pleasure to shop here when it's quiet. Although usually they are too logo-y for me, I do love a cashmere coat and they are almost 50% off. I am literally window shopping here as I am only here to pick up one item which I tried on last time. The selection here is just next level. Also, they have a lot of great cashmere wool jackets. I guess I'm getting ready for winter. The most important thing I look out for when I go shopping is material. I will only buy 100% natural material made items unless they are sportswear. I don't understand how some customers are willing to pay thousands of pounds for some plastics. Hope you are enjoying this video. Please feel free to like, comment and subscribe. Every little helps. Love a Gucci leather jacket. It is such a vibe. Oh, too much. This is nice. This is good. Again, I am only here to pick up something I have tried last time. Please feel free to check out my previous Bicester Village shopping vlog. Oh, it's reversible. Reversible. Perfect fit. Perfect summer shorts. I bought a pair of short shorts from Gucci last time when I was here and I am loving them. They are the best. Very comfy, super flexible, so I am back for more. What do you think? Do they look good on me? Good. Fits perfectly. Short shorts. Good. Summer shorts. Very easy. By the way, my waist is around 32 or 33 and I am wearing size 48, which I believe is medium. To be honest, I am not a big Dior fan. I find their stuff pretty boring, but I am here for you, for all the audience. So here we go. today is actually pretty hot. Ralph Lauren is celebrating Wimbledon and they are giving me free ice blocks. So naturally, I decide to go take a look at Ralph Lauren. I mean, come on, how good is this white and green stripe linen shirt? It screams summer.
Hi! If you'd like to play, you have to scan on our QR code on the board on the side. It's one sign up per group of people, maximum 3 goes per sign up. Once you're on it, join the queue on this side. But the QR code is around over there.
And finally, we are at Loro Piana. I absolutely love this brand. And if Loro Piana is watching my video, please reach out. I know I only have like 200 subscribers, but you know. Ladies and gentlemen, this is baby cashmere. I'm pretty sure this will cure all your diseases, worries, and all the negativities in your life once you put this on. Trust me.
Sorry, sir, it's not allowed.
Oh, she is.
But inside it's expensive.
I hope you have enjoyed this video. Wherever you are, please take care of yourself and don't forget to call your mom. I will see you at my next video. Bye bye for now.